our dual wavelength model, which contains 10 watt 1470 nanometer and 10 watt 980 nanometer. So hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am DSL India. I would like to showcase you this newly launched machine which has got two wavelengths. Okay, now whosoever are using our users who are using 980 nanometer 15 watt model, their machine can be easily upgraded to our new model, where only a slight changes and a diode has to be changed, and you can use 1470 as well as 980 nanometer in a single machine. Now in front of you can see this model. This is a machine. Along with that you will get a foot paddle, there is a connector, there is a key connector, there is surgical handpiece, there is stripper cum cutter for the machine. This is doctor's goggle which usually comes in pair, and there is one patient protection eyewear available. Along with that, in the machine you will receive three kind of fibers. The first one is conical fiber because of the shape of the tip of the fiber. The other one is radial fiber, and third one is bare fiber. The thickness available is 600 micron for most of the fiber. There are two fibers which come along with the machine, and you can choose any of these two fibers. Now I would really like to showcase you that this is an easy machine, so what all is needed to connect in the machine. So we will turn it on the back side, and you can see there are only three connectors in the machine which you have to connect. We are on the back side of the machine. This is a dual wavelength newly launched model. So as you can see, there is an interlock key, there is a foot pedal connector, and there is an adapter which needs to be connected because this is running continuously on the power. Now in this foot paddle we have given both the options. You can connect it through the wire or you can use it via Bluetooth. In case you want to use it via Bluetooth, you need to connect two pencil cell batteries along with that. Right now I would like to show you how you have to connect. So as you can see in this interlock key, there is a red dot which has been given. So you have to just go straight and follow the red dot and insert the key inside the machine. Same way for the foot paddle, just follow the red dot key. It should be on the upper side or it should be facing the person. The third one is your adapter, which you have to take it this way and connect it to the machine. Now once all these three connectors are connected, you can just turn on the machine by the black switch which has been given to the machine. Now once you will press on the machine, there are two things that you need to check. One is you need to connect one fiber to the machine before pressing it on. Just a second. I'll connect my demo fiber to this. So once this demo fiber is connected, you make sure that you have released the emergency stop from the machine. You have to enter the password, which is a factory reset password. Once you are on the screen, you can see you can directly go to the protocols, and in the general surgery section, you can see for hemorrhoid grade 2, 3, 4, fissure, fistula, any program that you want to perform, including the varicose vein treatment, excision and diabetic ulcer. You can just select the program and the power required, the energy required, the mode required, everything is pre-feeded in the machine. Same way, this machine can be beautifully handled. Can you see the option? So this machine can be beautifully handled to use it for other purpose as well. So right now I am selecting the preset for the same. Now can you see, once you have this machine, can you see this is some of the programs run on 1470 nanometer. So on individual basis you can run this machine on 1470 nanometer wavelength till 10 watt continuous mode. So once you will put on the system, you can see there is individual 1470 nanometer on which you can work, 980 nanometer on which you can work. You can choose 1470 980 nanometer as an oblique wavelength. That means one short pulse will come for 1470, another short pulse will come for 980 nanometer. The fourth one is called magic pulse, in which the combination of both the wavelength will appear on the same time. As you can see, this is a 14 watt peak power, 7 watt of 980 and 7 watt of 1470, and you can directly go to standby and your machine is ready. Okay, this way we have to check the is ready, and once you will press the foot pedal, you can see the cutting. So this is one of the so we'll go to setup and we will see volume and save. Okay, so this way, suppose that right now we are working on 1470 nanometer. So this is your 1470 nanometer working. You want to switch over to 980 nanometer. Your 980 nanometer is working. You want to switch over to the combination. So this combination is working. For every different wavelength, there is a different firing sound which will appear, and you can see the changes. Thank you.